Welcome to the Retirement Budget Calculator Review, Usage Experience. I've added links to the product in the description below. In this video, I'll break down the features of the Retirement Budget Calculator, who it's best for, and what makes it a standout tool for retirement planning. This tool is specifically designed for individuals who want a clear, straightforward way to track and plan their retirement expenses. Unlike more complex retirement tools that cover investment strategies and tax projections, the Retirement Budget Calculator focuses on giving you a precise breakdown of your income and expenses to ensure you're financially prepared for retirement. One of its key features is the ability to create a detailed monthly budget. You can categorize and itemize all expenses, from essential needs like housing and healthcare to discretionary spending like travel and hobbies. It's easy to input various income sources such as Social Security, pensions, or investment withdrawals, making it a great fit for those who prefer a granular view of their retirement finances. The tool also allows you to account for inflation, so you can project how your costs might increase over time, an important consideration for long-term planning. Another standout aspect is the cash flow projections. The Retirement Budget Calculator gives you a visual representation of how your income will match up with expenses each year, highlighting any potential shortfalls well in advance. It's a valuable way to assess whether your savings and investments will sustain your lifestyle throughout retirement. For those who are new to retirement planning or want to keep things simple, the tool's intuitive interface and easy-to-follow setup process are major pluses. In addition, the Retirement Budget Calculator allows you to perform what-if scenarios, which is perfect for anyone who wants to explore the impact of different spending habits, changes in income, or unexpected costs. This kind of flexibility helps users adjust their retirement strategies dynamically, ensuring they're prepared for a variety of financial situations. In summary, the Retirement Budget Calculator is ideal for pre-retirees and retirees who want a no-nonsense tool to manage their financial future. It's not about investment performance. It's about knowing exactly where your money will go and ensuring you have enough to cover your needs. Check out the description for more details if you're looking for a solid tool to simplify your retirement planning.